Today is huge. I am beyond excited to finally pick up the V3 kit. Right now we're actually driving to Greddy, the warehouse, where they supply all the Rocket Bunny kits and all the Phantom kits. So this trip right here is kind of bringing like a nostalgic feeling for the both of us, because when was this, like 3 years ago?
Yeah,
it was like 3 years ago. We're actually picking up my V1 kit for my car. We just made it to Greddy in LA. I'm gonna go in and pick up my rear fenders.
Spend 2 seconds on it.
Every time it says a year, I can see the front.
Dragging it.
That's it. It's the V3 bumper.
Yeah, then we have look.
So this is pretty crazy. Like, I don't know, like 3 years later, picking up a V3 kit. Yeah, I don't know. It's crazy. Like, it brings back a lot of memories, and I'm super excited to finally go back. I'm like nervous. I don't know why. So we just pulled up to the Greddy warehouse. Seriously, like I'm just like lost for words right now. Like I cannot believe I'm actually picking up a V3 kit. Like I've been waiting so long for this moment, literally. And like I said, it's just crazy being back here again, because 3 years ago, we were here picking up the V1 kit, basically starting my build. And I don't know, it's just crazy to think like 3 years later, I'm getting pretty much like my dream wide body kit. All right, enough rambling. Let's go inside and pick up the kit.
And then go get food, because my ass is hungry.
The sky is so nice right now. Imagine we're closed. Hey, how's it going? I'm here to pick up an order, a kit. Yeah, under Chris.
Remember last time I tripped?
I think I got it on film.
Yeah, you did.
It is crazy. Oh my gosh. This brings back so many like memories. Yo, remember I got this hat when we came last time? The same exact one. I had and picked up some Greddy merch. You can like see it right here. That is crazy. Come back.
Yeah. Are you gonna try and fit it? Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bro,
so exciting.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy, dude. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we freaking have the V3 kit. Oh, dude. So freaking hyped. Yo, so huge shout out to Greddy for welcoming us. We had to support and grab some stuff. We last time we came here, we actually picked up some stuff as well.
Love you, beanie.
Yeah, guys, we now have the V3 kit in the back, loaded up, ready to go. I know a few of you guys commented saying that it was gonna be like a wait time, or it was gonna take like months to get, but what I didn't tell you guys was that it was actually in stock. So literally I placed the order like, I want to say a week ago, and a week later we were able to pick up the kits. So that's super awesome, because when I ordered the V1 kit, I actually had to wait, I want to say 3 to 4 months for it to come in. So those 3 to 4 months took forever. So it was super cool that this time it was actually in stock. So right when I ordered it, literally a week later, we went ahead and picked it up. You're cute. Alright. We haven't ate all day, so we had to stop at In-N-Out.
So I told him to take a bite of this little chili, this little mini chili from In-N-Out. it's pretty spicy, but he hates spicy or
I mean,
he hates spicy stuff, so
yeah, I'm gonna beep that out. Bro, I didn't even bite it. It's already spicy. Just do the whole thing.
yeah. No, actually, no.
Bruh.
You're gonna die. You're gonna... Hurry up, because I want some.
Wait, do you have more chilies or no? Dude. I'm leaving that in. I'm trying to eat the whole thing.
Bite down, come on!
Bruh, it's
the people
hot.
are waiting. The people are waiting. She was. I told you. She's in there.
Dude, that's so hot.
You just gotta
It's not
keep
going
eating.
away.
You just gotta keep eating.
Is my side skirt still there? Not there. I kept checking, like, dude, I don't know where to steal my side skirts.
How much you want to pay me?
What is that?
What is that? That's my last chili. I will do the whole thing.
The whole
I'm not
thing.
a wimp.
You keep burping. Oh. How are you not burning?
That one wasn't that hot.
There's no seeds, huh? We love soggy fries. I love soggy fries.
If you like these, I don't trust you. If you eat these, I don't trust you.
While we're just like chilling, talking, I'm like in the process of this whole like merch thing. Literally trying to pump it out like as soon as possible. But at the same time, I'm not trying to rush it. If that makes sense. I'm trying to get it out because I'm beyond like excited to finally drop some merch for you guys. Designs, the logo and everything. I cannot wait. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. Obviously, you guys have to wait for that, but I'm so excited.
In general,
The drops,
we have
yeah.
pretty cool stuff.
I'm just in the process of getting everything taken care of before we can officially like drop some merch. That's a little update on the merch for you guys. I'm trying to get it out around the 30K mark. I want it to be like a 30K, I guess special for a 30K. I'm not sure if I want to do like everything for the first drop. I kind of want to just like, what's that term? Dip my feet in the water. What's that like?
Toe in the water. Dip your
Toe in the water? I don't think it's that. Just dip my feet in the water. But yeah, I got
your toe in the pool. Wait.
toe in the pool. Yo, we finally have the V3 kit at home now. Just seeing this kit literally at the house now, it's like I still cannot believe that we have a V3 kit for the FRS. I feel like I've said that like a million times throughout this video, how I'm so excited, this and that, like I can't believe it. I'm probably annoying you guys by saying that, but honestly it is completely true. Like, oh my gosh, like I've been wanting this kit for years. This is by far my favorite wide body kit of all time for the FRS. It just looks so good. I love everything about this kit, and knowing that we finally have it for my car just excites me to such a crazy level. I just love the styling of the fenders, how it just like comes out super wide, and it's kind of like, I don't know the word, I guess you can say like it's very bulky, if that makes sense. Like from the rear, this is what you guys are going to be seeing. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You guys are probably looking at this and wondering if I got a V3 bumper for the car. And I actually did, but I did not purchase the bumper with the kit. Me and my friend actually picked up a V3 bumper before I had purchased this kit. But the weird thing is, I didn't know I was gonna go V3 at the time. We kind of just picked up the bumper because some guy actually crashed it and he was selling it for super cheap, like $40, because it was completely wrecked. And we decided, why not? Like, why not buy a V3 bumper that's real for $40? Like, who would pass up that offer? That definitely saved me a ton of money buying that bumper that was almost destroyed versus buying it brand new from Greddy, where I got this kit. Yeah, I believe that bumper is like almost $1,000, if not. Like, yeah, that's a huge chunk of money. So we're actually working on repairing that bumper. So it's just a whole bunch of bodywork, fiberglass. So yeah guys, we are set. We have the front bumper with all the fenders and of course these side skirts. I did not pick up the Pandem wing with it because one, it is just super expensive. I also just like the carbon fiber trunk look. Just keep it nice and simple. In the future, maybe we'll go with the wing. I'm not too sure. Like, I'm not that much of a wing person, to be honest. I like more like, you know, simple setups with like a duckbill. So we're just gonna be running that for now. Next video, we're gonna be installing the kit onto the car. It's gonna be an interesting one because I have molded fenders. The fronts is fine. I can literally remove the whole fender off of the car because the front fenders are detachable. You can just take it off. But with the rears is gonna be interesting. Since it's molded, obviously I cannot remove the rear quarter panel. So we are gonna have to rip off the rear fenders, which is gonna be pretty heartbreaking for me And of course some of you guys seeing that. With that being said, that's gonna do it for today's video. Leave a like and comment down below what you guys think of the new kit that we're gonna be throwing onto the FRS. We have a lot of body work and work to be done to get this kit onto the car, but yeah, it's gonna be well worth it. I cannot wait.